day, everyone. There have many ways in cultivating virtues. Let's begin with reason, which reason cultivate virtues since it guides the soul, leading to attain wisdom. Second, cultivating virtues uses emotion and imagination in emulating paradigmatic character to become a virtuous person. Then, some others say imagination and reason complement one another in emulating paradigmatic character. And there are also other claims say that emotion and reason are the two principles or a means to become a virtuous person. However, if emulating Ren and Lee of the paradigmatic character through the use of imagination and emotion, it shows validity of the argument. However, if this emulation involves moral reason, then it does not apply to paradigmatic character since moral reason is fixed and not flexible. Instead of focusing on emulating paradigmatic character through imagination and emotion only, emulating paradigmatic character involves emotion and imagination in cultivating yen and practical reason in cultivating li. So I want to emphasize here that cultivation of yen through emotion and imagination and li through practical reason are necessary for emulating paradigmatic character. To support the claim, it is a good start to give importance to the role of imagination and emotion in the cultivation of yen. Second, the contribution of practical reason in cultivating li. And lastly, the successful emulation of the paradigmatic character through the unity of yen and li. There are many objections to these supporting points. First, imagination and emotion are unstable, and emulating yen paradigmatic characters that might cause failure in emulation. Second, the Li focuses on discipline and rituals, which is under the rules and tradition, and reason is under rule-governed approach. And third, the unity of Yan and Li is not enough in emulation since they are independent. However, to answer these objections, first, despite the instability of imagination and emotion, both unite heart and mind, leading to influence the self to emulate Junzei or the paradigmatic character through self-cultivation. Second, the embodying of Li of Junzei requires practical reason in adapting to new situation or circumstances as long as it is still rooted to Confucianism and promotes social harmony and common good. And lastly, the yen and li unites one another and contributes to successful emulating of the paradigmatic character through emotion, imagination, and practical reason. Thank you.